Let's now get into this bulletin by bringing you the latest COVID-19 updates from the United States. It seems that US President Donald Trump's great American comeback has now triggered a massive surge in COVID-19 cases across the US. States like Florida, Texas and California are emerging as new COVID hotspots in the US, raising the all-important question of whether America really rushed into reopening its economy after the first wave of cases emerged. The US has confirmed more than 2.5 million cases, with more than 120,000 deaths due to COVID-19. It is by far the worst affected country in the world from this disease as of now. US Vice President Mike Pence was in Texas, overseeing the state's response to the outbreak. Pence asked Texans to wash their hands and wear a mask, marking a U-turn from the Trump administration stance that face covers are optional. Pence has also cancelled key campaign events, citing the fresh virus surge. US President Donald Trump, meanwhile, was in Virginia playing golf with Senator Lindsey Graham. Trump has come under fire for opposing the move to make face masks mandatory across the US. There is now bipartisan support for such a federal mandate on masks. Experts have warned that the government is running out of time to get this new outbreak under control. On your screens now are visuals which tell you exactly why there has been a fresh spike in COVID-19 cases across the US. For instance, in Salt River, Arizona, as you can see, dozens of people turned up to go rafting in an effort to escape the summer heat, and many of them had no masks on. Since the beginning of June, cases have risen by 267% in Arizona, but the president seems to not care, and even the residents don't seem bothered enough to wear any face masks or any kind of protective gear. On the other hand, in Florida, Governor Ron DeSantis has refused to attribute the recent surge to his reopening plan. The governor instead blamed the state's younger population for violating social distancing norms. And in response to the current situation, Florida has now decided to close down the bars and beaches ahead of the 4th of July weekend. In California, on the other hand, employees at Disneyland organized a motor rally demanding better workplace rules post-reopening. Disneyland was set to welcome visitors from July 17th, but the reopening has now been pushed back indefinitely. Disneyland workers are demanding on-site COVID-19 testing as well as additional sick pay.